Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. Though on the one, on the only, Dogelon Mars, my beautiful friends. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis. Oh, I just had to burp. Let's get straight into these charts, my friends. I'm just cutting straight to the chase. Bitcoin has broken the $43,000 levels. It's down 2.38%. Now, I checked this earlier, and I saw that Dogelon Mars was, in fact, up, but it is currently down. So it is lagging behind Bitcoin, just like what we have been saying, but it's still consolidating. Not much new has been happening here. However, this is what we need to look out for in the future. Let's grab this horizontal line tool. This is our next support. We have started showing some buying pressure around it. However, if Bitcoin continues to retrace back down to the $40,000 levels, which is very possible, then we will come back down and test these 1160 levels. It's a beautiful thing. It will be a major buying opportunity. However, we need to see how we react onto these 1160 levels. Right now is neither a buy or sell point. Right now is a HODL point in time. Now when it comes down to these 1160 levels, it will be a nice time to average in. Begin averaging in if you have not already. Because if we break to the downside, then you can average more in, bring that price down even lower. However, if we show some support and move to the upside, it's a beautiful thing because you'll also be able to average in profit. So it's a win-win there. That is what we are looking at. For the downside, for the upside, pretty much what's going to happen. Dogelon Mars is pegged to the overall market right now. So if we're going to see it move upwards to the upside, higher, then we want to come over to Bitcoin and do some little technical analysis, see what it's looking like. Okay. Looky here. These are the daily candles. So it's a beautiful thing because many people at the end of 2021 thought that Bitcoin was going to end the year around $80,000, and it didn't. In fact, it ended at half of that, which is a beautiful thing because it's going to scare those type of people out. It's going to scare those traders out, and that's what we're waiting for right now. Because I know of a lot of people that are continuing to buy, and we want to get to the point where most people in the markets in crypto think it's just going to tank and it's all over with. That is the point when you really want to drop your major bags. And honestly, that is what will happen. That level of fear, that level of an emotional instability is what will happen if we get down to these levels. All right? To these $30,000 levels. That will be a beautiful thing for the overall markets in the long term because this will allow major bags to get a great price and all the weak hands to get out because their retirement fund just dropped 50%. Okay? So in a year, we are looking to break these $70,000 levels. However, in the coming months, we very well could head down to these $30,000 levels before moving upwards. And it's a beautiful thing, my friends. Look at it as an opportunity. The biggest thing right now is to have patience. If you try to rush into anything, then you're going to lose money. That's just how these markets work. Whenever you see a good deal, you will know, holy shit, this is a good deal. And that is when you'll get in before it moves to the upside. However, you can't get caught up in the noise because once it's down here, everybody and their mother are going to say, see, I told you so, crypto's a scam. And you don't want to get caught up in the noise. Believe in your own knowledge, okay? You got to be independent. If you follow the masses, you'll make the masses money, which is losses. So it's a beautiful thing, my friends. However, to get really in-depth in this technical analysis, this is what we need to look for right now. Excuse me, I didn't post yesterday. I found a book completely off subject. This is more like personal, but I found a book that explains a lot of stuff, and I was really just diving deep into who I am. Yeah, it was beautiful and amazing. So, and there was really nothing going on. If we would have spiked or dropped, I would have made a video, but there was just nothing going on. So, now I updated all of you beautiful people on the Patreon. Check that out in the link in the description. Daily updates and real-time buy and sell alerts. Go check it out. Anyways, let's get straight into these candlesticks here. These are the daily candles. I'm going to drop into a lower time frame just so I'm going to refresh this thing because we are not at the correct All right. Right now we want to watch and see if we can hold this support line. The bottom of this green candle here is major support right now at 1230. Okay, we want to hold this 1230 level. And if we don't, it's a beautiful thing. We just got to be patient. We got to see how it reacts here. Hopefully it breaks to the downside and we get a really cheap price at around these 10 levels. Now, if we could drop down to these 7 levels, 8 levels, that would be beautiful. And it will be a discount on everybody. Now, if we drop to the $30,000 levels, we're heading down to these 8 levels. And it's a beautiful thing, okay? Do not be turned off by that. Do not be turned off by discounts, okay? Let's say you go to a car lot, you see every car is discounted for 70% off. Are you going to walk away and say, heck no, I'm not going to buy a car. This is a scam. No, you're going to go in and you're going to be like, give me this car, give me that car, and give me that car, because that's the price of all 3 of them together. And that's what the markets are doing once we're down here. So have an abundant mindset, not a scarce mindset. I don't know why this is not loading right now. That is very annoying. Whatever. All right, well, okay, there we go. Pretty much, this is what we need to look for in the overall markets. Now, we want to see it drop back down to these $40,000 levels and to the upside, show some support around here. A big green candle, one looking similar to this, one looking similar to this, one looking similar to these two combined. A big green candle, breaking previous resistance with freaking volume, okay? With volume like this. That's what we want to see in order to have these $40,000 levels hold. However, personally, I do hope we drop down to these $30,000 levels. Now, listen, it's about hodling, okay? I have been averaging in ever since this first dip. So if we drop down to these $30,000 levels and go down to these 8s, I will be at a loss personally. I'm completely fine with that because I'll just average in and lower my break-even point. I'm completely fine with that. So if we go down to these $30,000 levels, a lot of people are going to be freaking out, and it's going to take independence. It's going to take knowledge to know that this is a nice opportunity. It is not a time to be scared. Okay, just keep that in mind. In the back of your mind, just know, just observe the emotions, how everyone's freaking out. Be like, okay, so this is how people make money. They swoop in when blood is in the streets, and right now blood is in the streets. All right, my beautiful friends. So, $40,000 levels, we want to see if we can hold that. Hopefully we don't. But if we do, then that's okay too, because we'll be making profits either way. But it would be nice to move my average down to around the 10. Because I started averaging in around these 15s and have been moving back down. But if we get into these 8s, then I'll probably be in the 9 or 10s here, which is a beautiful thing. My beautiful friends, Crypto Billionaire 69, check out the Patreon. Daily updates and real-time buy and sell alerts. Now, I know the markets can be boring, but making money, it doesn't have to be fun, all right? Especially in the markets, it's supposed to be boring. If you're having fun, I mean, I have freaking fun doing this, but it takes a lot of patience. You know what I'm saying? It's not a daily hit of dopamine like when you're scrolling through Facebook. It's every month, maybe even every year. Warren Buffett said, you're going to get opportunities 1 to 5 times a year if you're researching and keeping up with the markets. You're going to get good opportunities and good sales. So it's not about every single day coming in here and trying to change your life through gambling on anything, okay? You want to take the gambling aspect out, turn it into data and an investment strategy. So that's what we're here to do. I'm not a financial advisor, simple crypto billionaire. However, those of you who are looking to day trade, that's also a very good way to make money. It is much more risky, don't get me wrong, and it takes a lot more mental stress, but you can make a lot of money. You can double your money in one day if you're good at it. That's what I used to do, and it works. I took 1,000 and turned it to 10,000 in a week during COVID in a bearish market. It was beautiful. It was really fun. But personally, I don't know if I like that anymore, day trading, just because it's a lot of stress and you have to look at your computer all day. I like to go outside and breathe the fresh air every now and then and not have to think about stock charts, crypto charts. So I'm definitely on that investment game, but I do have the knowledge to teach you. So if you're interested, just email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com and we can talk about it. I'll kind of give you my knowledge, what I've learned. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next freaking video. You guys are beautiful. Have a beautiful day. We only got one life, so let's live it to the fullest. And 2022 is going to be a great year. I'm just seeing this here. We are following a nice trend line. Still, so it's a beautiful thing. We're still in trend line, however, hopefully we break down to these $30,000 levels, give mom and pops a little scare. It's going to be beautiful, guys. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.